Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we discuss about the process of vessels classification in retinal images by graph-based approach. The classification of retinal vessels into artery, vein is an important base for automatic the detection of vascular changes and for the calculation of characteristic signs associated with several systematic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension and other cardiovascular conditions. This paper presents an automatic approach for AV classification based on the analysis of graphs extracted from the retinal vascular tree. The proposed method classifies the entire vascular tree deciding on the type of each intersection point and assigning one of the two labels to each vessel segment. Final classification of vessel segment as artery vein is performed through the combination of graph-based labeling results, which is a task intensity feature. This is the flow diagram for our proposed system. It expresses what is the flow of our process. First, we give the retinal image. It is the input image. The retinal image contains fovea, optic disc and vascular trees, and also it is our eye image. Now we go to convert the retinal image into gray level image. In this process, we separate or extract some red, blue or green from the color image. So the color image will be converted to the grayscale image. Now we go to the vessel segmentation process. In this process, we extract the vascular tree in the retinal image. In this process, we use morphological operation. Now we go to extract the graph from the vessels. Here we extract three types of nodes called end node, intersection node and split node. In the end node will be the edge node of the vessels, and the intersection node, the two vascular trees will be cross each other. The split node, the one vascular tree will be go to two way in this point. Now we extract the feature by central line fixers. The central line fixers extract by the two end node and the intersection node and the splitter node. And the feature will be the central line fixer is like intensity of red, green, blue and give saturation and intensities. We extract the 13 types of feature of each central line fixer, and that feature will be go to the classification process. Here we use KNM classifier. Here we give the group. One is the artery and the another is the vein. Now the group will be classified by the threshold of the feature. Now the result will be show the retinal image by segment the two types of vein like artery and vein. Vessels. It is one is the vein and another one is the artery. The two types of vessels separated by the different color. After the find the result, then we use identify the thickness of the all vessels and then getting the final result whether our given input retinal image is normal or abnormal. Because the normal retinal image, the vein thickness will not be varied. So that reason here we analyze or classify the retinal vein and artery will be separately. So we extract the vein or take the vein only and then find out the thickness in each vein and we find whether our given retinal image is normal or abnormal. In this process we additionally use the X-date for identify the normal and abnormal classification as high level accuracy level. Now we see to demo of our process. First open the MATLAB and then open the source code folder and then choose the main.m for the process. Here I will right click the main.m from the source code folder and then run the file. Here the input guide will be open. First browse the input retinal image from the dataset. After the retinal image will be loaded, then convert this to gray image by extracting the any band. be segment the vessel based on this type of options. The disc will be exerts vessels by basing on the given radius, and the ball will be exert the segment vessel segment based on the radius and height. The line will be exert the results based on the line length and angle. Here we will check the nearest pixels for segment whether the vessels will be ordered. Now I choose auto for segment the vessels at defaultly, and it is the segmented vessels. Now we create a node for classify whether it is which artery or vein will be there. First the node will be creating for classification purpose. After the node creation, here that all types of node will be here. The in node, the splitting node, the intersection node. The intersection node will be shown where the artery and vein will be interacted. The splitting node where the results will be splitting, and the end node will be where the node will be ended. And these options will be help to find the only nodes or the nodes with the vein only. Here we choose different types of node with different types of options. Now we go to extract the feature for classification. After the feature extraction, then we classify the artery and vein. And here the red color will be the artery and blue in color will be the vein. Here the performance will be the existing will be getting the 82% accuracy, and the proposed will be getting the 96% accuracy. After the classification, then we go to analysis whether it is a normal or abnormal. Now the analysis will be taking some more time for the classification. Classify our given retinal image is normal or abnormal image. And here the analysis will be shown. In this analysis result, our chosen retinal image is normal. Here the red level will be getting 92% and yellow level getting is 0.52%. Here the expert is not found. In this process, we analyze the result based on the vessel's thickness and also the exudates. Suppose the vessel thickness is not normal and the exudates will be found, automatically the image go to the normal, or else it will be go to the abnormal image. Thank you.